The All Progressive Congress APC Edo State don call out to the Independent Electoral Commission INEC Edo State for transparency where dem dey conduct the Continuous Voter Registration CVR wey go start on Monday 27th May to Wednesday 5th June 2024 as dem frown at underage registration. Dis na the main matter of the Tok section with tori pipo wey dey delivered by the State Publicity Secretary Peter Uwadiai wey shele for the APC Edo State Secretariat Ikpoban Road, Benin City. Comrade Uwadiai kon tok say APC raised the alarm to ensure fairness and credibility for the forthcoming governorship election and say APC go shine their eye wella to do check on all processes wey concern the Edo 2024 governorship election to make sure say the other political parties not do any mago-mago.
This press briefing is to bring the world to speed with the unpleasant and repulsive development in Edo State, which shall negatively impact on our nascent democracy. It has assumed recondity that Edo State is one of the states where we have off-cycle elections, and prelude to the September 21st election in the state, INEC has fixed 28th to 5th of June 2024 for continuous voters registration. INEC, by the Enabling Act, is one of the institutions that is saddled with the civic responsibility and authority to help deepen democracy in the country by being apolitical in the processes leading to, during, and after elections. It is also in consonance with the all-embracing expectation that all political actors, including political parties, are seemingly expected to operate in an atmosphere devoid of compromise, inducement, and other unfavorable antics that shall impugn on the revered integrity of the system. It has become expedient that our party, the APC, raise this alarm and bring to the notice of well-meaning Nigerians the ignoble plans by the People's Democratic Party in Edo State to circumvent and rig the 2024 governorship elections in the state using the forthcoming continuous voters registration exercise as a formidable platform. We have on good authority and from multiple sources that some gullible officials of INEC in most of the 18 local government areas that make up our state have approached the outgoing Edo State governor to provide them with logistics for the continuous voters registration. In anticipation, these patriotic INEC officials have promised to allow the PDP unfettered access to INEC data capturing machines. The APC is also aware that the INEC officials have hidden under the guise of no adequate personnel for the exercise to make frivolous complaints to the outgoing governor, Godwin Obaseki, aimed at undermining the core mandate of the institution. Cashing in, the governor has agreed with INEC to deploy the services of Edo teachers and civil servants in addition to members of the National Youth Service Corps and as ad hoc staff. He has promised to backroll their stipends after the continuous voters registration exercise. The APC is left in consternation that this compromising offer can be made to INEC in spite of the 2024 federal budget, which has adequately provided for INEC with regards to the Edo and Ondo state governorship elections. Governor Obaseki's irritating compromise of INEC are all part of his unholy plan to have his kangaroo local government chairmen do whatever they so desire to do with the continuous voters registration in their localities. This is what informed his viral video where he was seen begging frustrated PDP supporters to bring their young children for registration as voters. It is also within the knowledge of our party that the governor intends to collect the cards from these underage voters and give them to others he plans to hire from Delta State to invade some units in our state and foment trouble on the day of elections. Additionally, the APC has found out that Governor Obaseki is working closely with the head of INEC ICT unit so the PDP can manipulate the voters register and the beavers. The PDP as a party knows that it has lost credibility. Close to 8 years of Governor Obaseki, in glorious reign, has brought untold agony to our state and ridicule our people, including our traditional institutions. This is why it has resorted to these evil schemes. As the party of choice for Nigerians today, the APC is sending a strong message to the PDP that we are more than vigilant and ready to checkmate their every move. We are promising our people a new Edo they truly deserve, with Senator Monday Okpebholo as governor and Right Honorable Dennis Idahosa as deputy. We are committed and we will prevail. In the light of these very disturbing discoveries, orchestrated by the outgoing Governor Obaseki and the INEC in Edo, we are forced to make these following demands with immediate effect. 1. The immediate deployment of INEC head of ICT in Edo, who we know is working closely with a female INEC staff in Bayelsa State. She is the wife of a PDP chieftain in Edo. 2. The strict compliance with the INEC designated venues for the continuous voters registration exercise, which is the world headquarters. 3. Complete restriction of transfer of voters from neighboring states, particularly Delta and Lagos, during the continuous voters registration exercise. We reject the use of Obaseki uniform talks, such as POAV, ESMAN, State Security Network, and security across the state. The Nigerian police, the civil defense corps, and other paramilitary are better for this critical exercise. Long live the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Long live Edo State. Long live APC. A new Edo is rising.
After the talk session, one APC Diaspora, Desmond Usazua, for in talk with our Tory person, Nosayege, co-advised Edo citizens for Diaspora say, make them beg their people for house here for Edo to open eye wella and make the right decision come September 21st.
Now, what did they happen? What did they represent for the Obodo and the party where you say they represent? How did they represent and the diaspora people, how they take on everything to support your party?
Okay, I they represent them APC Diaspora Campaign Council, where we for the talk about the thing where APC go fit do for Edo. We they tell our Edo people with the diaspora talk to their people, because no house for Edo now when you don't get one person for diaspora. So as we they tell them, say see what the APC go fit do for Edo, make them still tell their people, make their people go vote for the good party, so that make them with their problem that they relax. It's every day their people go call them, make you bring this one, make you bring that, and go work. Government not there, government be there, but not the create work. So make their people tell them, say now APC go create work.
So make we talk with him concerning this paper with you also.
Yes, concerning this paper that I'm holding.
Where you also?
Yeah, where I also for hand. Una see this paper carry this a full document. We carry a lot of information of waiting they want do for Edo. Edo State governor no once made this election they transparent. Now make I come from diaspora say we go talk put not be so. Because without the year say in they gather small children for different local government across the 18 local where they document we get them. Say me they go they register, me they vote. Children will never even reach 18 years. This one a matter we tire also. Now we say may INEC not try am. May INEC not, because voters registration from their get age. You they gather small pikin now, may they vote for many, may they come out on election, they say they get 500,000 votes. They get 600,000 votes. Where now for they get the 600,000 votes? Where we don't know for this Edo State. So if somebody go to import people come from different states, say you go to bring people come from Lokoja, from Kogi State, you go to bring people come from Lagos, small Delta State, you go to bring small picking from Delta State, say, may they come to register, may they come to vote for Edo. Now that one a malpractice. That one a number one malpractice because it's not correct. Now because when APC go start, may we fight for the honesty of Edo people. Edo people don't they vote right from time. They don't need children from Delta State. May they come they vote for them. Edo has been voting. In fact, Edo they are among the first states where start to they vote for this Nigeria. We never carry small pikin go dey put for vote. They never see am for the history of. We not go start am now. E not dey the history of Edo. Edo na very registered state. Edo na well organized state. This one na state where our royal father dey. They come dey yeah. The governor must desist. INEC abeg make una no allow am. Across the 18 local government, across the 192 ward, across the 3 senatorial district, make una make sure say children not vote that day. We dey say this thing ahead of time. When we did, so this one on May 24. We don't tell the whole world ahead of time because una don't know. Now we dey let una they know say wetin they want do for this election. We go dey counter and kpaka. As they come, we go dey tell una. Make una know if una see children vote that day. Small pikin carry voters card. Make una go report to INEC. Make una report to una feature am. Make una feature am. Make una show to the world say this one not fit dey happen. Wetin INEC talk, they do another one. Now that matter with them, my brother.
Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.
Ahead of the Edo governorship election, the All Progressive Congress APC don talk say dem dey look forward to free, fair and just election. Make una no forget say as we see am, na so we dey talk am. We no dey take blame. From Benin City, Balumi Mukoro, TMC TV News.